So we got another little fun job here to do. This fuel cell out of this pulling truck. He asked me when I had it if we could weld this bung on there for him. It's one of them AN fittings. I got it laid out. There was fuel in this tank. There hasn't been for a long time, so I just ran some brake clean through it. Blew it out real good with the air compressor. Flashed it off with the torch. It did nothing, so I think we're good there. But I'm going to drill it out here and clean this real good, and we're going to weld this in real nice. And then once I'm done with it, I always like to take these fuel tanks on these diesels and, you know, I'll shop vac it out real good. I'll clean it out real good, blow it out best I can, and I'll put some fuel in it, slosh it around, just make sure I don't have any metal in there, you know, that can get trapped or go into the fuel system or something. I've always been paranoid about that. So we're going to go ahead and drill this hole here and get this going. Put a little bit of grease on that bit. Of course, everything falls in it. So I'm not sure what happened to the audio here. I left the microphone sitting on the welding table, so I don't know if the high frequency screwed it up or what, but I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover for the rest of the video. I'm just going to let it play here so you guys can at least see me welding and see kind of what I did here. Here at the end of the video too, I'll go over all the machine settings with you guys, gas flows and my whole setup here just so the video is not wasted. So I went ahead and I used the number 5 standard cup on this. You guys can see, I zoom in on it there, the tungsten's balled, just a small ball on it like I always do. I feel that normally works out pretty good for me. On the machine settings, I ran 183 amps, 160 on the frequency. In the balance, I wasn't real sure here. I think it's around 30, 31, 32. I also had the post flow set right at 15 seconds. I had it pretty long because I was working on stainless right before and kind of forgot to change it. So it wastes a little bit of argon, but no big deal. I had the flow meter set right at 14 CFH for the number 5 standard cup. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I mean, these things, they normally weld pretty good. They're extremely thin, so you just got to be careful when you got to favor the heat more for the fitting. But normally they weld pretty good. So yeah, once again, I'm sorry for the audio issues, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.